It from my mystery treasure box Valentine theme. All right, so Kia for 30 seconds with the premium iHo Chan for 4 will Kia for 30 seconds. Huh? All right. So here is the nails. It's good. It's okay. And then on the next one, we're gonna use something else. It's really cool. We're using it with the shoe rings. I am going to share with you in a little bit. So hope you all have a fabulous day. And then I have the foil. Let me show you quick of my treasure box. I don't know if you can see it from here. Maybe you might have to zoom. Hey Glitz babe, thank you so much for tuning in. I have so many items in the box. So if you're not sure what you are going to create and not sure what you are going to get for Valentine, the Valentine mystery treasure box is definitely the one to grab because it have all the value of over $120-$30 worth of the products, and then you get it for such a great value and great price. So then you can able to create so many ideas out of the box. So I'm so excited because we're gonna using one of the foil that I have it from the box. I put it back in because can you get it out for me? And then with this foil, you can use any, I don't want to stick it in there. You can use any part of it. Random, it doesn't have to be is perfect. Let me see. I'm gonna just get the really cool and random part. See that part right there. Looks super cute. Give a good like rub, good pressures, rub it down. And then just peel off. So now if you're happy with this, you don't have to do anything else. Definitely it's just really good to go. Top coat and a Kia for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. But we're gonna add just a little bit of some of cute flowers here. So I'm gonna add the no wipe top coat on. And Kia for 30 seconds. Okay. If you want to do a Diamond Dust Pixie will be a good one on that one as well. Huh? I want to show you to do it's really quick, simple with the there's some option here that I like to do is either Lover, which is from a 40 gels, or Blushing, or Cheeky. So which one should we go? And to make it really easy and quick, simple, and successful with the 3D flowers, I am go ahead and using the Dual 3D brush. So it's really cool. It have the other end, so you can use it with your liquid and powder to create the 3D flowers. If you are doing a 40 gels, you are going to using the other end. So I'm gonna wait for that just a second. Great. So I have this one is done. So if you don't want anything else, you can leave it alone and it'll be good to go. But we want to add some, maybe the Lover looks good now. You saw? So I'm gonna add just I'm gonna get the lovers, and this is cheeky, and then this is blushing, and we can also get the little leaf too if you want to. If not, then not a big deal. I'm gonna get just a little bit of the 40 gels, and then with this, if you want to do smaller, bigger, it doesn't matter. You can get 3 beads. I'm not gonna cover everything. Kevin wanna keep the bird, but the bird's by itself. So I'm gonna make it 3 beads. And the same size. This one gonna be really a simple one. Because the best thing about 4D gel is that if you feel like you're having a little bit too much, you can remove it or add more if you need it more. Okay, great. So I'm gonna close this one. And then using the duet, give it a little like a press down. Press down and release. Press and release. And you don't have to do it perfect yet, okay? Because we are going to go back. It's not going to dry until you are going to cure it. So you are going to have pretty much a good, like, time to perfect it if you want to. It's just like press down and release. Go to the right, left, and then go to the right. Press is really gently. I'm going to do really fun and it's simple ones, not really hard to create at all. It's 3 petals. You can add more as you prefer. You can go on and on if you want to add the leaf on it. Like, you definitely can do that too. Okay, so seeing I am going to wait because it's not dry yet, because we're not going to cure yet. We are going to add some, I'm going to add this one on. The frame that I got it from the Ultimate Crystal Kit. Okay. So before that, I am going to go ahead and using the 3-step system for the crystal placement, which is the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gel. We're going to apply it later. But I want to do just a little bit of condensed glue gels. Really thick density. This is not triple thick, so then you can do it for flat back and also for 3D. If you want to do is really special for 3D, you can able to get like the triple thick. So I'm go ahead and add it right there in the center. and go ahead and do the no wipe top coat. Just applies right and on, floating right on the top of the condensed glue gels. And keep in mind the 40 gel is still wet right now, so it will able to grab. My frame in one place. One second, this one away. There you go. I'm just trying to adjusting it right in. I'm gonna add just the cheeky heart into that one. Where am I at? I'm in the right spot.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, I'm go ahead and flash key it for 30 seconds first. The cheeky heart, so you can move it however you would like.
Is that done? Or are you gonna do some more?
I'm gonna flash key it first. I'm gonna add some more, just a little bit. Too low and now here. Okay. And in the meantime, we'll flash key it for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the condensed glue gels around. On tie the nails just a little bit, because then you'll add some more crystal around. And we'll all go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels. And the white top. Now, so if you want this to be matte, you can apply the matte top coat, the no wipe matte top coat. I'm not using the Ultimate Crystal Kits to add some like reds, crimsons on. I'm not using a red and a pink opal on this design. I'm gonna add some green on it, looks good as well. Some beads on. And add a bit between the crystals. And if you don't want any beads on, you can definitely just like let it go and dry. And one more right here. Add just a little bit beads right there. Looks so adorable and it's so fun and easy to create. All right. Happy with this? I'm gonna go ahead and key it for 60 seconds.